I've recently found an incredible tool that allows you to compare prop firm challenges really easily. Not only are you able to compare dozens of variables, it gives you the price considering the latest discounts and promotions, which I think is a really big plus. There's a whole tab dedicated to showing the latest discounts. It's really convenient. On top of this, if you do purchase a challenge through their website, you'll be given loyalty points, which you can exchange for free challenges later on. The website is called Prop Firm Match. I'll put a link underneath the like button and in the comments section below. I can find the cheapest 200k two-step challenge really easily. I can sort by price and find the cheapest prop 200k two-step challenge, and I can make an educated decision based on the profit to drawdown ratio, the location. For example, I said I'm a little bit hesitant to take any US-based prop firm challenges, so I might consider some UAE prop firms, which is what I'm primarily focused on at the moment. So for example, I can see Funding Traders here is UAE based, Blue Guardian is UAE based. And if you want more information on any of these prop firms, you can click and it will give you even more detailed information. So I can see whether they allowed weekend holding, copy trading, the drawdown method. It's fantastic. Once I've found a handful of prop firms I like the look of, I can use the multi-comparer tool here to compare them more directly. So at the moment, I've been taking challenges with Funded Engineer, which is here. And I've also been considering Blue Guardian. I've actually purchased a 200k Blue Guardian challenge recently. And the founder of Blue Guardian has actually recently started Aqua Funded, so that might be one I want to compare. These are all Dubai, UAE-based prop firms. What's another UAE-based prop firm? Funded Next. Let's see if I can find that. Funded Next. And Funding Pips 2, I think. Is that UK-based? We'll have a look. So I'll compare the 200k challenges, which are two-step. So let's compare these here. So these are all the 200k two-step challenges based off of this criteria. You can see Blue Guardian have multiple 200k two-steps. Looks like they've got one which is a 10% max drawdown and an 8% drawdown. The 10% drawdown is a little bit more expensive. I can sort by the price. So Blue Guardian have a promotion at the moment. This will automatically be applied if you use the buy button right here. I can see that they've been in business longer than Funded Engineer and Funded Next. They've been in business for 2 years. Let's see more detail here. They allow copy trading, which is important for me because I use Traders Connect. They've got a good Trustpilot rating, no minimum trading days, static drawdown method. Daily drawdown reset type is based on balance or equity, whichever's highest, that's fine. Another way that you can find the easiest challenge to pass is by using the profit to drawdown ratio. So the higher the better. So I can see that the 10% version of the Blue Guardian challenge is the most easy to pass because it's got the profit target combined and like divided by the total drawdown, I think is how they get to the profit to drawdown ratio. But this basically shows the easiest challenges to pass. And I actually purchased a Blue Guardian challenge based off of this information, considering this discount. So if you click on the buy button, it will take you to this page. It will show you how many loyalty points you'll earn based off of this purchase. The discount code you need to use to actually get the 20% discount that they're offering. And I think you even get a 2 weeks trial of a platform called Curo Labs. So from my understanding, Curo Labs is a journaling tool. I think it also has some copy trading features. I haven't really looked at it in much detail. I am personally going to be sticking to Traders Connect for my trade copier, but it's free, so it might be worth taking a look at for the journaling and analytics features. So based off of those loyalty points I showed you earlier, this is what it takes to earn some of the challenges. So it's obviously you'd have to purchase quite a few challenges to be able to get much reward, but I mean, it's free, you may as well. If you come up to the My Account page, you'll see the number of points that you currently have, and you can claim your points here. So if you click on claim points, you upload your receipt for the prop firm purchase that you made, and your points will come through here automatically. So really easy to claim them. The discounts page is also really useful. So if you look at the December promo tab, these are all prop firms which have partnered with Prop Firm Match. And I believe if you use this promo code to get this discount, if you manage to pass the challenge, they'll give you another challenge of the same size if you reach your first payout. So let's say, for example, I take a challenge with Alpha Capital Group. I'll get 22% off if I use the code MATCH, and if I take a 100k challenge, if I reach payout on that 100k challenge, I pass both phases, I reach a payout, they'll give me another free 100k challenge just for having used the code MATCH, which I think is a very good deal. Just out of interest, I wonder what prop firms offer a 1 million challenge. Are there any? There are. Fidelcrest and Ment Funding both offer a $1 million challenge. It looks like the Fidelcrest one is much cheaper, but that is crazy. I wonder if there are any 500k challenges. Yeah, same prop firms. 400k. Yeah, we know Bespoke and Defender Trader. I wonder what the best profit to drawdown ratio is between all of these. So it's actually the Blue Guardian one, but that's for a small prop firm, right? Let's see, for a 100k challenge, what's the easiest 100k challenge to pass? Yeah, Blue Guardian, that's crazy. So that's because they've got 4% phase 2, I think, and a 10% max drawdown. So yeah, based off of this and the fact that they're based in UAE is what made me personally decide to go and purchase a 200k Blue Guardian challenge, because not only do they have the best profit to drawdown ratio, I'm pretty sure they're also one of the cheapest. Yeah, they're up there. That's crazy. Yeah, there's a lot to this website. There's still plenty I haven't really shown you. There's a lot of resources and reviews and other discount pages, so feel free to check it out. As I said, I'll put a link underneath the like button and in the comment section. So yeah, it's really cool to see more innovation in this space, because up until now, I'm sure most of you, same as me, have just been using Excel sheets, and this is much better than the table that I made on Excel a few months ago. Thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. Comment this emoji to show me that you made it to the end. I hope you and your families all have a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next few weeks.